You know, Chad, I see the appeal of living in the sticks, but that drive time in and out of town, I just don't know if I can get behind it.
Scotty, today we're in Springwater Country Estates. We're so close to Barrie, we're a hop or a skip, or maybe even one of Scotty's golf drives. Not Scotty's probably, actually one of mine.
Okay, I'm enticed by the location here, but if I'm gonna be living in the sticks, I wanna feel like it. I need some big square footage, big lot size, big mature trees. What do you got for me?
How about over half an acre? Great lot size, 2,100 square feet. You're absolutely gonna love the finishes in this property.
All that and more on today's episode.
Hey everybody, today we're on Patty Dunn's Circle. You're absolutely gonna love this property. Location is paramount. Just behind us, you have a farmer's field. Just to the side of us, you have no neighbors as well.
That's right, guys. Not only do you have no neighbors beside you, you also have a park for the kiddos just beside that. It's the absolute ideal location. Springwater Country Estates is so desirable that nothing's come up for sale in here in over 6 months. Now, it's not just about the location on this one. You're gonna absolutely love the curb appeal as well. At over a half-acre lot here, you're incredibly well set off the road. You got red brick, black windows. The curb appeal is spot on. Not only that, we got parking for 10, 12 cars here. This is where the party's gonna be. Now follow us, we'll head inside and take a peek.
Inside here, you're absolutely gonna love this layout. We have 16-foot vaulted ceilings, tons of natural light. My favorite part is the kitchen overlooking the backyard through this 9-foot tri-panel back door.
Now there's so much I know you're gonna love about this kitchen. Not only is it aesthetically pleasing to look at, it's also got a ton of history in it as well. These cabinets were actually milled from the very trees that were taken down when they built this house. How cool is that? But as I said, it's also stunning. We've got the quartz countertops that run all the way through, including straight up the backsplash. We've got gold accents in here as well, and it's all rounded off with a ton of cabinetry, plus a bar over in the back corner. But that's not all. This floor plan is absolutely ideal. You got the primary suite on one end and the other bedrooms in the other. Let's go see what Chad's up to in the primary.
We're in the primary wing of the house now. You're absolutely gonna love this. Like I said before, lots of natural light. You can use this room for whatever you want, whether it's a playroom, a den, an office, transitioning nicely into your primary bedroom with a nice bath as well. And Scotty's not even over here. He's on the other wing of the house. Let's go check him out.
You know a floor plan is grand when it's got a secondary wing, and that's exactly where you find me now. Just off the kitchen is another one of those great flex spaces, making the ideal spot for the home office that we all know and love these days. In addition to that, we've got a guest bedroom that overflows into what could be your second primary suite, complete with a window bench and an incredible view of your amazing backyard. Check this out.
It's not too often we showcase the basement, but you can pick up an extra 2,100 square feet with this baby. The walls are up, insulation, it's already wired. All you need is drywall. You're absolutely gonna love it. I know one thing's for sure, you're absolutely gonna love this space because I do. An entertainer's deck, you have a hookup for a gas fireplace, south exposure, that means you have sun all day long. You are so close to the city of Barrie, this ball may end up there.
Hey guys, over here. Yeah, way over here. Now, if you're like Chad and golf definitely isn't your thing, then there's still lots you're gonna absolutely love about this lot. First of all, it's surrounded by incredible mature trees. The privacy is gonna be next level here in the summertime. In addition to that, whether you got 2 legs or 4, there's so much you can do out here. Zip lining, tree climbing, you got a very own path over to your own personal park over there. How good is that? And maybe you wanna drop your very own outdoor hockey rink right in the middle here. You've got the space for it. Now, I know what you're thinking. Outdoor hockey rink, who's got the time and money to put all that together? Well, the good news is this house comes with all the pieces, you just gotta add water. How good is that? Now we've given you all the good news, but unfortunately we do have a drawback for you. You're definitely gonna need a riding lawnmower because this lot is absolutely massive.
I love it. Guys, we are the Knowles Woolsey team and we know Midhurst. For more information on this listing and more like, visit our website.